here if you would like to adjust with the arm position to get the stretch deeper here on the triceps area. Arms on external rotation, but this little finger will be in. Feel the difference. Yeah. If it's possible, the arm is above the ear. So easy for you to get the stretch on the chest and gaze out. Okay. Support again here. So in this position, the instruction is feel the stretch from the right hip until the right fingers, then press it from the right hip down to the right hip. That's only the different stretch position. Inhale, come up. Okay, exhale, release. Take the right foot forward.